the part where the total price and this subtotal is dynamic. Okay, so if I increase the quantity for this wooden bed, so here you can see the price has been increased. Okay, so it is multiplies with the quantity and price, and in the subtotal, the total price is shown. Okay, so now we have to pass these items to next checkout page and also this amount also. Okay, so in the checkout page, so currently here is static UI. Okay, and this item selected quantities, this price, delivery charge, and total price. I want this to be passed in the this checkout page also. Okay, so in here I want this to be shown. So for this, what I want is in the checkout page we need to so define that is final list product model cart items. Okay, items, and also I think map integer cart quantity. So let's say and double sub total. Sorry, subtotal, and I think let it make final and final. I think a final double delivery charge and final double total. Okay, so total. So now okay, let me import this file in your required parameters. Add all of those, and after this, what we have to do is we have to make the changes in this routes. Okay, so in the checkout page, final data is product mode. I think we can do this like that, or let me add here all of. Okay, so let us add all those required parameters. Okay, so here setting dot argument instead of this, what we can pass is map value. Okay, dynamic convert dynamic. Okay, everything. So after this in here, so in this cart items we have to pass this same value. Okay, so like this same what is called instance variable name. Okay, so for this here what can we do is arguments dot. I think it was like this cart items. Sorry, let me use here rather argument. So not dot cart quantity and same here. Okay, sub total and arguments delivery charge and arguments total. Now after this what we have to do is yes total. So now when we route back to this, let me show you in cart page. So yeah, in here in the checkout, I think in the arguments we have to pass those. Okay, arguments, yeah, in there I think. Okay, let me view it. So let it arguments, no, not like this. We have to pass in, since we have what we have done is map dynamics. So we have to pass the value in the form of map. So what was it? In the first I think like this. So let me just copy this. Okay, all of this, and in here also total, and in the checkout page, in the cart page, so we pass the values of this cart page from this cart page to this checkout page. Okay, so cart items, and let us just do one thing. Yeah, okay, just place this and subtotal same in the delivery charge. Okay, okay, total, yeah, just now the budget is cart. I think it was cart quantities, yeah, like this. I think not cart quantity, it was cart let me see, cart product, yeah, like this. Cart quantities, I think, yeah, cart quantities, and in here we subtotal, not subtotal, maybe it was a build subtotal, we can pass like this. Okay, subtotal. Okay, then sorry, delivery charge and build total. So let me just do one thing. Okay, subtotal in also here. So why this? Yeah, comma. So now let us check either it works or not. Okay, and I think in this checkout page also we have to make some changes, like in here list view dot builder. I think let me just do one thing. This copy the UI of this container. Okay, above container this. Okay, yeah, this list view dot separated. Okay, copy this code, come this in checkout page. After this container, so what was it? Container. Sorry, I think let us just comment this code, pass our code and cart product. So what we can do is okay, cart items, and we have to place this widget dot cart items. Okay, is allowed true, then based on at first only one item will be shown, otherwise. And here widget dot cart items, and in here widget dot cart quantity. I think in here we don't allow the users to pass or update the value. Okay, so let me just comment this code. And also I think we don't need this icon button also. Okay, so let me just for now okay, not like this, comment this code, and let me just comment this code icon button, delete. I think we need delete features maybe. So let have this cart items, that is widget dot cart items, and comment this part, and let us just open this. Okay, then after this comment this, same in here. I think in here widget dot cart, what was it, quantity maybe, yeah, cart quantity. And in here also comment this, also this. Now let us just restart the application it also. Okay, so the application has been restarted. Now let add this product to carts. Go to carts. Here the product are shown, and the price are also correct. Let us go to click, and type double is not sub type of double. So let's just see where is the problem that occurs. Okay, okay, the problem has occurred in routes, material routes, arguments, subtotal. So here what we have to do is into. Okay, so maybe in the checkout page what we have to do is make it, I think, delivery charge, make it int. Okay, so let us make it int. Then in here also we have to make some changes. Okay, in the cart page. So let us have just open it, pass this function, build total, and let us just reload the application. So same, let us just move back, checkout. Okay, so here you can see the selected item is shown. I think let me do one thing. Okay, so again let me select this items out to 5, checkout. So here you can see 5 item are shown. Okay, so now we have to make this total item dynamic, and same for this all. So what we can do is simply we can pass the value. So let me do one thing, that is, okay, then after this in the checkout page, let us just go here. Okay, I think in here price also, total item, in the total item we will do it later. I think in the total item also we can do text, dollar, what was it, widget dot cart. Okay, sorry, let us just do like this, cart quantity. Okay, dot to string. So we will fix it later, I think. Okay, so let me do one thing. Currently here we have again, sorry, subtotal. Okay, then sorry, here we have to, I think, yeah, I have left this and this. Yeah, this seems not this comma. Sorry, okay, stop. Yeah, I have left this. Okay, so widget dot quantity, and in here we have to show the dollar sign. So for this, what we can do is, okay, dollar sign, then widget dot subtotal dot to string, and left this, and again in the, where was it, delivery charge. Then in here also dollar sign widget dot delivery charge. Okay, so now let us have this remove. So let me just reload the application at once. Yeah, here you can see the based on the index, this total item is shown. Okay, so and in here I, so let me do one thing, that is remove those container side one. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me do us one thing. Icon button, remove this, and also let us remove this. Okay, so then after this, what we have to do is, I think we don't need to show now here stock. Okay, so price quantity, and let us just comment this code, and let us have in the order summary, that was, where was it, let go to cart page at first, in the items. So let's select this row, copy in the checkout. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Build text, order summary. So let us just remove this and orders summary is allowed. Is allowed. So okay, and at top icon button. Let us just remove this icon button. Let me reload the application. So if I click here in the arrow down, so here you can see the all of those cards items are shown. Okay, so and let us just change this container size. Let it be 50. Okay, okay, then I think we have to make this cross axis alignment center row in here child and text main axis. I think we don't need to have this in the row form. Okay, so let us select this, copy and remove this, paste this. Okay, then after this, what we have left here? What is the mistake? Okay, let us. Okay, sorry, 50. Let us reload the application again. So it has been in the now what it will be. So let me do one thing. That is, I can start delete and let me have rather than here center child and copy this part and yeah, I think this seems right. Yeah. So what we have now is after this here the total price is shown the subtotal. So let me go backward. Okay. Yeah, here 1530 and check out 1530. Yes, this seems right. And in the total, I think there is something mistake in this subtotal. That's total. Okay. So I think we haven't made changes in this total. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's still in static form. Dollar sign curly bracket widget dot total dot to string. Okay. Then remove this. Okay. So here it is shown correctly. Now in the total item, instead of this 0 index 5 and 1 index 1, we must show this as total of 6. Okay. So since we have this selected 6 item. So what we have to do is, let us just do one thing. Okay. So in the total item, I think, yeah, it was in the total item. This. So let us just view the UI, what it will be. Okay. So like why this, so I think 0 comma 2. So why this is some, okay, let me fix it. So in here UI you can see okay 2 3, and if I go to back, so 2 3. Okay, so same value is passed here. Okay, so total item is 5 and subtotal 69, and in here delivery charge is 6930. Okay, so yeah, same value. Now after this I click on checkout. Okay, so if I click on this arrow button, all the products are shown. Okay, and checkout ordered successfully, and in here ordered successfully, that product must be shown. Okay, again, so same in here. So what we can do is in this track order page, where is it, track order page. Okay, so again in this track order page we have to pass this same value. So so now in here what we can do is copy. I think we can copy this same code. Okay, let us copy this same code and copy this in the track order page also, this. Okay, leave as it is. Okay, remove this, and I think in here instead of is allowed we have is expanded. Okay, and is expanded. Okay, then so now in here also I think we have to pass the same value. So what we can do is, let me think. Okay, so track order. Okay, so in the track order this has been done. Now cart items, cart quantity. Okay, like as in the this checkout page. Okay, so I think let me just do one thing. copy this total delivery charge, and okay, I think instead of delivery charge here we can pass only total value. Okay, so we can have this total items, and then this, what is called it, I think instead of total cart quantity we can have this cart quantity, and then this subtotal, or yeah, subtotal value, yeah, this one, and then this cart items also, yeah, this also, copy this, and in the checkout page also, and checkout page, then copy cart quantity, the quantity selected will be shown. Okay, and I think we don't need this total items and subtotal. Okay, then I think we don't need this total also. Okay, and or maybe I think we need to pass this delivery charge, but we will not use it maybe. Okay, we have done this. Now track order page. After this, what we have to do is, let us just fix here. Okay, so in the arguments, okay, okay, and same is done. We have above. Okay, so cart items, cart quantity. Let me just do this, copy this, and paste here. So, and also this, copy, and let us just remove this unwanted. Okay, so now in this checkout page also we have to do same like this. From where we have routed to which page we call bottom sheet primary checkout. I think on press checkout. So in the bottom sheet, okay, so more of bottom sheet, navigate at track order, and in the arguments. Okay, then here in the checkout, sorry, in the cart page, what we have is like this. Okay, okay, then copy this in the checkout page, copy paste this. So in the cart items, what we have cart, I think it might be cart items. Undefined name cart items widget dot. Okay, yeah, this seems to be correct. And widget dot cart quantity. And I think we don't have total items, do we? No, we don't have total items. And remove this also. And subtotal. Do we have this subtotal? Subtotal. Yeah, in the routes, I think we have this subtotal. Okay. Okay, build subtotal. Delivery charge also. Do we have this widget dot delivery charge? And I think we also don't have this total. Okay. Total, we don't have this. I think we can make this. So let me just do one thing. Okay, so we can make this subtotal, and this one cart product. Okay, cart product dot length I plus plus index cart product cart quantities. Okay, I think we can have this as a widgets. Okay, let me check. Okay, if we can have it as public function. So build sub total dot dart. Okay, so let us have this. If we can have this or not. Okay, then import it. Yeah, I think yeah, this seems to be right. Okay, so okay, cart page, and again this delivery charge. Okay, so build subtotal. I think we can have this. We can name this as. Okay, so rename this as build price calculate. So we can have it as build price calculate. Again, sorry, build sub total and build total here is in the delivery charge. What we can have in delivery charge is equal to 30. Yeah, this seems right. Okay, then what we can do is build subtotal. Okay, input it and build total, copy this, build subtotal, and let us just remove this part. Then in here what we can do is import After it has been imported, now in the checkout page also, bid subtotal, and I think it might be fine. Okay, so now in the track order page, what we can do is get screen size same as it is. Now I think in here what we need is okay, quantity of purchase price. Then we don't need this. We have already this. Okay, remove this row widget. Remove this bill text and cart quantity. That is quantity, and let it be dollar sign. And in here, what we can do is simply pass it. Okay. Okay. Then yeah. After this quantity, and let us have this again. Price. So widget dot quantity index. Then let us have what is called it is subtotal. So let me remove this total subtotal, and let us just reload the application. Okay. Again, let us just restart the application. Okay, cart is empty. So let me just show the UI. Select one product, two, three. The product are shown. 5 correct. Ordered successfully. Here quantity is shown. And what was the price of maybe this 6900? Because I think 6900 this subtotal for this total 500 is shown. But here what I want to do is like the price for this wooden bed is 3000. Okay. So if I select this 3000, then 3000 into 2 means it must be here 6000. So here single child we have to place this. So let me place this single child scroll view. Okay, not like this, single child scroll view. Now let us just reload the application. Okay, now it has been fixed. Now okay, quantity 300 but price is 6900 shown. So what we can do here is so let us just have it in the row form. Okay, so we can have like this row children, and so quantity and price will be best, and then we will show the total for those amount. Okay, and after this, okay, then spacing this pass this and widget dot price. Okay, then I think in here we have price. Okay, so dollar sign and like this. Okay, okay, then in here also quantity 2 and price 300. That seems to be right. And let me have this one again. Logo. Now after this row, here we have this another. So here we have to multiply this quantity and this what we call this price. Okay, so here we can have this. Sorry, not like this. Total. And let me just do one thing here. I think yeah. Okay, then widget dot price dot to string. Sorry, copy this complete. Okay, complete and remove it and into. After this, what is it? Yeah, data dot price dot to string. Okay, then let me fix this issue again. Why this is shown? Yeah, I think we have to remove this and remove this data dot price int. Okay, oh so sorry, and remove this into data dot price. Have some bracket now dot to string. So let us just reload the application. Yeah, now it is shown correctly. Okay, so totally 6,000, and I think quantity total. Okay, so let me do one thing, rather it. So quantity, copy this code and completely remove this row part. Okay, so after the, let us just have here quantity, then it all will be in the column form. Yeah, this seems right. Okay, then I think here we can have spacing up 10.0. Okay, so 10.0. Yeah, this seems now correct. Yeah, 3000, sorry, 369. Okay, yeah, this is the output. So until now what we have done is, so let me just show you. Okay, 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 so we have added the product in the cart. So let me show another. Okay, now this one and this one. So after we do this, we click on icon button. Then here at first only one image will be shown. Then if I click on this arrow downward icon button, all of the available products will be shown, and here the available stock is shown, and also the price of it. Okay, so I can select here, and here you can see in the below the price also changes. Okay, so let us have this, and after this click on checkout. The user will click on checkout, and here also total item will be shown, and all the products will also be shown. Okay, so if I click on here, the item is removed, and after this, if I click on checkout, ordered. Okay, then in here only two items. Okay, so this is the output that we needed. Now I think we have completed the UI, so let us just refresh. So in the categories, when we click on any categories, the product related it will be shown, and again in the same here. Okay, then in the products, if we save any product, that is, let us save it, and in here save, so the product save is shown. And if I want this wooden bed, so based on this given user input, the product is shown. Okay, and in here we have this edit profile and theme, so payment method, and my orders. So in here it is shown. If I click on this track order, I must be routed to this what track order page. Okay, so you can do it and completed, and also this white wooden sofa. Okay, so let me do, I think let me just make it dynamic. Okay, so what we can do is, okay, just let me go to this profile and pages. I think, yeah, my orders. Let us just have one thing, that is, okay, what we can do here is okay, column container. So let us have product lists dot product list model dot length, and copy this part, and final data is equal to this one, index, and in here what it will be, data dot image path, and in here data dot title, and in here data dot category dot name dot to, let it be uppercase. Yeah, this seems right. And here data dot price, I think, yeah, it was maybe under this, not like this, and dollar sign. Now after this, we what we have here is, so let me just reload the application. Yeah, now it is shown, the product are shown dynamically. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so here the products are shown again, same here, and in here also same. Okay, and okay, we have this one. So yeah, I think we have completed the UI of this. Okay, completed. So I think we don't have any changes that are needed in the UI. Okay, so in here also we have this, and okay, okay, okay. Then this one is fine. Log out, yes. Okay, this is the UI login page, and let me just go to this forget password. Okay, forget password, send code, verify, change password. Now after this, what we will do is, currently we have made all of this set state, use set state. Okay, for the changes to be shown. Now we will use river pod. Okay,